don't know if you could deal with it. Ay, whip it up and make a meal with it. Ay, ain't nobody getting real with it. Ay, freak it up, break it down, break it.
Hey everyone, it's Desi. So the first thing you want to do is start with a good quality wig. You want to make sure that your lace matches your skin, or you can get transparent lace and tint it like I'm doing here, but just make sure that your lace is nice and thin and that your transparent lace is not like too white or thick. So yeah, as you guys can see here, the lace is really nice and thin on this wig, and that's major key to a flawless install. So the knots are already bleached on this wig and the hairline is plucked. Everything that I'm using in this video, I'll make sure that I link it down below, but this is a wig from my collection. It already comes like this and it's styled with loose waves, really pretty waves. I love this hairstyle. So what I did was I went in with my foundation brush and I buffed a little bit of foundation under the lace, but I didn't bring it all the way up to the hairline where I'll be gluing it, because I just feel like that can get messy and I don't like a lot of makeup around my hairline. So I just went back an inch and then I put foundation, and that's just gonna help that color like really shine through. So I'm not gonna be doing the stocking cap method, but I am using a stocking cap. I just feel like it's not really necessary, but if I was doing like a colored wig that had a colored root, then I might actually do it. I still probably actually wouldn't, but it really depends. But you can't even tell the difference between the stocking cap method and doing it this way, and I just like it better because it's not having anything like up close to your hairline, because you can really see through the lace if you're not careful, and you don't want to see a stocking cap that's glued down underneath the lace, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be going in with my Bold Hold Extreme Cream, and I love this glue so much because it's water based and it's really gentle. So I'm gonna go in with 2 layers of this, and that usually lasts me like a week. I usually don't need any more than 2 layers, but like right here I actually put too much glue, so you guys will see me spreading it out nice and thin and wiping off the excess in a paper towel that has alcohol in it, which you can't see but it's there. And you just want to make sure that it's really nice and thin, because if it doesn't dry clear, you're gonna have issues and it's not gonna look flawless, you know? So don't put too much, pay attention to what you're doing, and take your time. Now that it's dried clear, we're ready to flip down this wig, and you want to make sure that the lace is going completely over the glue. You don't want to have any glue seeping out of the lace. If the edges of the lace aren't completely glued down, that's fine. That's actually what you want, because we're gonna go back and perfect it and put little teeny dots where it needs to be perfected. But if you have glue seeping out, it's gonna like turn gray, it's gonna get sticky, messy, it's not gonna be neat, it just ain't gonna be cute, sis. So just make sure that you guys keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna lightly put whatever's left on it around my hairline. I don't like a lot of makeup around my hairline, so this is just like literally just a little bit, you know. So now I'm taking my edge control, which is Edge Booster, the peach scent. It smells so freaking good. But I'm just gonna brush my hairline back and start to shape these baby hairs. And I'm not using setting lotion because every time I do that, it makes my lace loose. Like I can feel the glue like loosening up, and that's because you're not supposed to get the glue wet for 24 hours. But I know some people can do it. I don't know how, but every time I try, it doesn't work. So I love using this edge control because the consistency is amazing. It doesn't leave a residue, and it's just the best thing to use. But on the second and third and fourth and so on day, I do actually use setting lotion, which you guys will see. I'm using Got To Be hairspray and my curling iron to make the wig flatter. You can also use a hot comb if you prefer, but I prefer this way, so just do what works for you. For the finishing touches, I'm gonna take a little bit of my cream concealer on a brush, just a little bit, and I'm gonna run it throughout the part, and this is just gonna define it and make it a little bit brighter. Now I'm gonna take my brush and just brush out these curls, and that just gives me the most cutest, perfect waves. And then I tied my hair down with a satin scarf overnight, and this is what it's looking like the very next morning. It's almost been 24 hours, so I feel more comfortable using the Nairobi setting foam, and I'm just gonna take it like mostly on the hairs. I'm not trying to get it like where I glued down the lace, just to be a little bit safe because it hasn't been exactly 24 hours. But I love this setting lotion so much. It dries fast. It's just the best setting lotion I've ever used, period. This shit was a game changer. To add a cute little twist, I'm gonna take these little clips. They're like in the shape of a heart and they have glitter on them. They're really cute. I got them on Amazon, and I thought I was gonna wear my hair in a ponytail, but I decided to take it out. And yeah, this is the finished look. It's super cute, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys learned something, and don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.